Strings in data structure look simple until your code becomes slow or you start getting weird bugs. I'll help you understand the strings in an easy way. What are they? What's fast? What's the most common mistakes that you're doing? A string is just the text like this. But technically, it's a bunch of characters in order. So if I want to access the 0th character inside this string, then I can do exactly what I do in an array. Accessing an element in the string will also be the same as accessing an element in the array. It'll always be big O of 1. Let's talk about traversing through a string. If you want to print every character in a string, then you have to go through every single element in the string. Let us say that the length of the string is n, then you have big O of n. If you want to print every character in the string, then you have to go through the length of the string, which makes it big O of n. Now comes the biggest thing that beginners don't know. In many languages, Python, Java, or JavaScript, strings are always immutable. Immutable means that you can read them, but you cannot change a character inside the same string. So if you want to change a string, you actually have to create a new one. So what does concatenation mean? Every single time we have a string and we want to add something in that string, all we need to do is a simple addition operation. What happens in this case is the end of the string 1 and the start of the string 2 both join together. This will create a new string. Why is this such an important concept? Because if your string is very long, then this can become a very slow operation. What is the easiest way to fix this idea? Instead of collecting characters in a list and joining it at the end, we use append. Here are a few common string operations you should actually know about. Finding the length of the string will always be big O of 1. Accessing any element inside the string will always be big O of 1. You will not be able to change a particular element inside the string. Looping through the string will always be big O of n. And making a new string or slicing a string across will always be a big O of n operation.